In this video, we'll explore the names of 100 animals that live in Africa. You'll not only learn their English names, but also see how to use them in simple, clear sentences. Let's get started and make learning fun together. Lion. The lion is called the king of the jungle. Elephant. The elephant uses its trunk to drink water. Giraffe. The giraffe eats leaves from tall trees. Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. Leopard. The leopard hides in the trees before hunting. Cheetah. The cheetah runs faster than any other animal. Hippopotamus. The hippopotamus spends most of the day in water. Rhinoceros. The rhinoceros has a strong horn on its nose. African buffalo. The African buffalo lives in large herds. Jackal. The jackal is active mostly at night. Hyena. Hyenas' laugh-like sounds can be heard at night. Baboon. Baboons live in large groups called troops. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees use sticks to catch insects. Gorilla. The gorilla is the largest primate in the world. Okapi. The okapi looks like a mix of a zebra and a giraffe. Before moving on to the new word, I'd like to make a quick reminder. If you found the video helpful, please remember to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Now let's continue with the new word. Caracal. The caracal jumps high to catch birds. Serval. The serval has very long legs for hunting. Mongoose. The mongoose can fight dangerous snakes. Meerkat. Meerkats stand on two legs to look around. African wild dog. African wild dogs are excellent hunters. Pangolin. The pangolin rolls into a ball when it feels danger. Mandrill. The mandrill has a colorful face. Impala. Impalas can jump very high and far. Kudu. The kudu has long, twisted horns. Wildebeest. Millions of wildebeests migrate across Africa. Dik-dik. The dik-dik is a tiny antelope. Gazelle. Gazelles are very fast runners. Eland. The eland is the largest antelope in Africa. Springbok. The springbok leaps gracefully in the air. Oryx. The oryx has long, straight horns. Waterbuck. Waterbucks are often found near rivers. Bushbuck. The bushbuck hides in thick vegetation. Steenbok. The steenbok is a small antelope. Bontebok. The bontebok has a white face and dark body. Hartebeest. The hartebeest has a long face and fast speed. Tsessebe. The tsessebe is one of the fastest antelopes. Sable antelope. The sable antelope has curved horns. Roan antelope. The roan antelope has long ringed horns. Gerenuk. The gerenuk stands on two legs to eat leaves. Bush baby. Bush babies have big eyes for night vision. Galago. The galago can leap between trees. Aardvark. The aardvark eats ants and termites. Aardwolf. The aardwolf feeds mainly on termites. Honey badger. The honey badger is very brave and strong. Porcupine. The porcupine has sharp quills for defense. Warthog. Warthogs kneel when they eat grass. Bush pig. Bush pigs are wild pigs living in forests. Civet. The civet has a musky smell. Genet. The genet is a small spotted carnivore. Rock hyrax. The rock hyrax looks like a rabbit but is related to elephants. Olive baboon. The olive baboon spends much time on the ground. Patas monkey. The patas monkey runs very fast on land. Vervet monkey. The vervet monkey has a black face and gray body. Colobus monkey. Colobus monkeys have long white tails. Bush squirrel. The bush squirrel is quick and agile. Cane rat. The cane rat lives near wetlands. Giant rat. The giant rat can grow very large. Naked mole rat. The naked mole rat lives underground. Bat-eared fox. The bat-eared fox has very large ears. Fennec fox. The fennec fox is tiny with huge ears. African golden cat. The African golden cat hides in rainforests. Black-footed cat. The black-footed cat is small but fierce. Sand cat. The sand cat lives in deserts. Side-striped jackal. The side-striped jackal is found in moist habitats. Black-backed jackal. The black-backed jackal often hunts in pairs. White-tailed mongoose. The white-tailed mongoose has a bushy tail. Slender mongoose. The slender mongoose is common in savannas. Banded mongoose. The banded mongoose lives in social groups. Dwarf mongoose. The dwarf mongoose is the smallest mongoose. African civet. The African civet produces a strong scent. Large spotted genet. The large spotted genet is nocturnal. Small spotted genet. The small spotted genet climbs trees easily. African palm civet. The African palm civet eats fruit and insects. Yellow mongoose. The yellow mongoose lives in open country. Ground pangolin. The ground pangolin digs for ants. Tree pangolin. The tree pangolin climbs trees for safety. African hare. The African hare runs in zigzags to escape predators. Scrub hare. The scrub hare hides in grass during the day. Cape hare. The Cape hare is active at night. African hedgehog. The African hedgehog rolls into a ball when threatened. African clawless otter. The African clawless otter hunts in rivers. Spotted-necked otter. The spotted-necked otter eats fish. Rock dassy. The rock dassy basks in the sun on rocks. Tree hyrax. The tree hyrax calls loudly at night. Striped polecat. The striped polecat sprays a bad smell. Zorilla. The zorilla is also called the African skunk. Marsh mongoose. The marsh mongoose lives near swamps. African civet cat. The civet cat marks its territory with scent. Crested porcupine. The crested porcupine has long quills. Brush-tailed porcupine. The brush-tailed porcupine makes rattling noises. Four-toed hedgehog. The four-toed hedgehog is found in savannas. African ground squirrel. The African ground squirrel digs burrows. Tree squirrel. The tree squirrel builds nests in trees. Giant pangolin. The giant pangolin is the largest of its kind. African mole. The African mole lives underground. Golden mole. The golden mole has shiny fur. Naked bat. The naked bat hunts insects at night. Epauletted fruit bat. The epauletted fruit bat eats fruit. Straw-colored fruit bat. The straw-colored fruit bat migrates in huge numbers. Hammer-headed bat. The hammer-headed bat has a large head shape. Great work today! You've learned the names of 100 amazing animals from Africa and practiced them in real sentences. Keep reviewing and try to use these words whenever you can. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.